James Pelton here. One of the biggest problems in crypto, especially the Ethereum chain, honestly, are gas fees. Bridging is an absolute nightmare. I remember trying to send $500,000 from Ethereum over to Polygon, and it took like 45 minutes, most 45 minutes, stressful 45 minutes of my entire life, possibly. Today, I want to talk about GasifyAI, how they are addressing this problem, how you can potentially profit from this with their token. So GasifyAI is looking to make bridging an easier and cheaper and faster process. They currently have 8 chains that you can bridge from. So again, I could have done my Ethereum to Polygon bridge right here on Gasify. People already using Gasify to save some money on their bridging. Base is a newer chain that people are using, but $4.24 to bridge to Base using DeBridge, $6.37 using the native Trust Wallet bridging. On Gasify.ai, it's only 34 cents. So definitely a need for this, especially as we're hitting the bull market. People are going to want to be doing a lot of bridging, a lot of swapping. So lowering your gas fees is big. So pretty simple to use. Gasify.ai, you just pick the starting chain, pick the chain you want to bridge to. So I just want to show you how easy this is. I'm going to send 10 Matic over to AVAX. So you click send, you approve it in your wallet, and then you wait. This does a better job than most of showing you where in the process it is. Again, I did this. I used to use multi-swap, not recommended. And there we go. It was completed. So the Polygon came out 39 seconds ago and received it on AVAX 11 seconds ago. So it took 28 seconds to bridge from Matic over to AVAX. So that's that's a game changer. Going from 45 minutes down to 28 seconds. So then anytime you find a tool that is useful like this, it's like, well, hey, how can I make money from this? That's what I always think. My entrepreneurial mindset. But they do have a token. So the GSFY token, it's on the Ethereum network. You can see launched March 26th, and it's been doing well so far. So obviously, some people took some profit here recently, but if current market cap is only $1 million, so if this ends up being as useful as I think it could potentially be, they're getting really good reviews from the people who use them, then I expect that the token will do well as well. That seems redundant. So there's only 10 million tokens available. They did no pre-sale or anything like that. So it's all just a fair launch. So you have 2 opportunities here. Use Gasify.ai for your bridging. Let me know down in the comments your worst bridging story. Everyone has a bad bridging story, so let me know yours in the comments down below. Then also, if you're looking for a coin during this bull market, GSFY could be it. Again, they're providing an actual utility, an actual service. It's not a meme token, thank goodness. And as part of this video, we're going to do a giveaway. So to be entered in the Gasify giveaway, I want you to go to Gasify.ai, make any kind of transaction. It can be small, there's no minimum. There is currently a maximum of $750. But go ahead and do a bridge of some kind. Then there's going to be a share on Twitter button. I want you to click that and then just tag me in it. And everyone who does that, I'll go through, we'll pick a winner. Not sure what the winner's going to get. Probably some GSFY tokens, but that's how you go ahead and enter. So hope this is helpful for you. Hopefully this is at least just a tool that you can use, whether or not you want to get involved financially by buying the token. Hopefully this can kind of revolutionize your bridging experience in crypto. Again, if we want the masses to come into crypto, we need to make some of these things easier. So I really appreciate the Gasify.ai team providing a tool that makes the space better. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you all. Have a great rest of your day.